Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 1 p.m. At 12:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Forest, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, Niles, West Ridge, Wilmette, Rogers Park, Morton Grove, Deerfield, Prospect Heights, Lincolnwood, Winnetka, Glencoe, Northfield, Rosemont, and Kenworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 12:50.